Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by setting the right project color depth and confirming your footage profile, because color precision fixes many problems early. Next, place the clip and immediately duplicate the layer. This gives you a safe working copy. Apply key light on the top layer and sample a clean mid-green, not highlight or shadow. This ensures the matte targets the main hue. Once done, switch key light to screen matte view to inspect blacks and whites. Make sure edges are visible before proceeding. With a rough matte visible, you refine it. Adjust clip black to remove noise and clip white to preserve hair and semi-transparent areas, because preserving detail matters. Then tweak screen gain and screen balance to clean holes. Add matte choker or simple choker sparingly. Start with 1 and use 0. 5 to 3 pixel changes, so edges don't collapse. For spill, run advanced spill suppressor, and then fine-tune with hue versus hue or color balance. Finish by integrating the plate. Add light wrap and edge blending to borrow background light, then apply a subtle color grade so foreground matches the scene's contrast and temperature. If you still see matte tears or halos, isolate the area with a garbage matte or quick roto and reapply local key light settings. This targeted fix often resolves stubborn sections. Finally, render a short, high-quality preview at 100% with motion blur. If artifacts persist, adjust matte choke, spill, or redo sampling on that segment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.